ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
My name is Mahanande. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining for the work, energy, power. Already we have discussed previous parts. Work we have discussed, energy also, the total mechanical energy also we have discussed. What is the explanation of work energy theorem? What is the explanation of work energy theorem means if work done by all forces is equal to the change of kinetic energy is called a work energy theorem. If work done by all forces means conservative forces or non-conservative forces and other forces also applied time, the total of work done is equal to change of kinetic energy. Now kinetic work energy theorem proved means any one of the body having on the horizontally is moving with some velocity with the distances, final velocity v, initial velocity u. These distances, some distances s is moved. Here generally work done formula we know, work equal to force into displacement. Now work equal to force into displacement. Work means here total of the work done means conservative force of work done and non-conservative force of work done, other conservative of force work done. Work done all is equal to work done of conservative plus work done of non-conservative force plus work done other forces also. Now work is equal means work all equal force formula mass into acceleration into distance, F equal to ma. Now W all is equal to mass. Acceleration means one of the equations of motion, v square minus u square equal to a s. Now a equal to v square minus u square by 2s. Acceleration is substitution, v square minus u square by 2s into s. Now s cancel, w all equal to of m into v square minus u square. Now here multiplied in each term, w all equal to of m v square minus of m u square. Already we have discussed the kinetic energy formula of m v square. Kinetic energy final equal to of m v square, kinetic energy initial equal to of m u square. Now here of m v square replaced kinetic energy final, of m u square replaced kinetic energy initial is applied. W all equal to kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial. Kinetic energy final minus initial means W all equal to change of kinetic energy. The total work done of the system is equal to change of kinetic energy is explained of the work energy theorem. Now law of conservation of energy. What is the explanation of law of conservation of energy means if you any work done on the forces means the force is the conservative force is applied time, the total energy is constant, but the non-conservative forces and other forces is applied time is zero of work done. That is called a law of conservation of energy. Now what law of conservation of energy means, already we have discussed the potential energy of work energy theorem and everything. Now work energy theorem based W all equal to change of kinetic energy we have discussed already. Now here W all means work done of conservative force plus work done of non-conservative force plus work done of others is equal to change of kinetic energy. Now work done of conservative forces is we have discussed. Work done of conservative force is equal to negative of change of potential energy. Now work done of conservative force substitution means minus del U plus W non-conservative forces plus W others equal to change of kinetic energy. Now these potential energy converted to right side, W of W others equal to change of kinetic energy plus change of potential energy. Already we have discussed previously, change of kinetic energy plus potential energy is equal to mechanical energy. Mechanical energy means change of kinetic energy plus change of potential energy. Now kinetic energy plus potential energy replaced by substitution the mechanical energy. Non-conservative plus W others is equal to mechanical energy. Now mechanical energy, the total energy is constant or zero, means mechanical energy is constant. ME equal to 0. Now 0 here substitution means non-conservative plus others is equal to 0. Law of conservation of energy is proved. The work done of the non-conservative force plus other forces all are is equal to 0, but the mechanical energy is constant to maintain. These mechanical energies also when is applicable means conservative force of work done applied time only, the law of conservation of energy is applicable. But law of conservation of energy, now I will prove it. Verify of the law of conservation of energy. Now law of conservation of energy is verified. If you now first falling of body, one body mass m having falling at the vertically at some height, totally height is h. But if you falling time at in between, I will choose some height to place small h. This is point at A position, this is B position, this is C position. Now A to B in between of distance h minus h min considered. What happened the total mechanical energy at point A, at point B, at point C. Now verify the law of conservation of energy. First at point A I will choose at A. First at A time, here height is the capital H having, means the potential energy is mgh. Why? Means because potential energy is depend on the position of the height. Now kinetic energy, generally kinetic energy of mv square, but here point at A position, body is maximum height place, the the velocity is 0, means v equal to 0, means the kinetic energy is 0. What is the mechanical energy? Means total energy. Mechanical energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy 0 plus potential energy is mgh. Now mechanical energy equal to mgh. This is point at A. Now point at B. At B point. First potential energy. Potential energy at B position. B point is on the horizontal to at height h having, means potential energy is mg small h. But kinetic energy, general formula of mv square. But here how much velocity is falling off the downside, means one of the equations of motion having v square minus u square equal to a. Yes, here finally velocity is reached v square minus initial velocity is first point at A position is 0 equal to acceleration. Body is falling downside, means positive of the acceleration. Distance at A to B distance is h minus h. Capital H minus small h. Now v square is equal to g h minus h. Now kinetic energy formula we can substitution. Kinetic energy equal to of m v square means 2g h minus h. Now 2 cancel. mg capital H minus mg small h. Now mechanical energy. Mechanical energy equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Potential energy at B position is mgh. Kinetic energy mgh minus mg small h plus potential energy plus mgh. Now plus mgh minus mgh both are cancelled, remaining mg capital H. Mechanical energy at B point. Now body is continuously falling at reach on the earth at point C. At C, potential energy is, now body reached at the on the horizontal surface, means no height having means the potential energy is 0. Generally kinetic energy equal to of mv square. Now if your body is falling on the reached on the horizontally surfaces, height is reached h, how much velocity is maintained, means v equal to root of 2gh, we know formula. Now v square is equal to 2gh. V square is substitution of the kinetic energy formula place. Kinetic energy is equal to half m 2gh. Now 2 cancel. Kinetic energy is equal to mgh. Now mechanical energy is equal to the kinetic energy plus potential energy. Mechanical energy is equal to the kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy is mgh plus potential energy is 0. Now finally the mechanical energy is equal to the mg capital H. Now we will observe body is falling time at any position we are considered, means the total mechanical energy is mgh. Body wherever we are considered, the total energy is conserved. This is verified of. Now law of conservation of energy verified of the body moving upward. Now if you any one body is moving upward, that body reached some height capital H at on the horizontal surface onwards. This body reached in between some height small h. Here at A position, here B position, here C position we are considered. Now remaining this distance of the height capital H minus small h. Now body is moving upward. First law of conservation of energy we want means the mechanical energy is at any point all or same we need. Now at point A I will consider first. At A position, first here potential energy. Potential energy is equal to, generally potential energy is equal to the mgh. Here no height means the potential energy is 0. Kinetic energy, body moving some vertically upward means some velocity having, that velocity is we considered the kinetic energy formula of mv square. Now totally mechanical energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy of mv square plus potential energy is 0. Total mechanical energy equal to half mv square. If you any body moving upward on the surface time, the mechanical energy equal to half mv square. Now at point B, at B point reached height is the small h. The potential energy is equal to mgh. At point B height is the potential energy is mgh. Kinetic energy general formula is the half mv square. Now here velocity I need means one of the equations of motion we are consider. Equations of motion, v square minus u square equal to 2as. V square is equal to minus u square converted to means plus u square. Body is moving upward, the acceleration is negative means minus 2g. Distance is reached at h. Now this v square is substitution on the kinetic energy formula placed means kinetic energy is equal to half m v square means u square minus 2gh of m u square minus of m gh into 2 cancel now here of m u square replaced my v square is substitution v square minus mgh. Now kinetic energy we have find out, potential energy we know. Now mechanical energy I need at B position. Mechanical energy equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy of mv square minus mg small h plus potential energy is mgh. Now plus mgh minus mgh cancel, remaining of mv square. This is the mechanical energy. Mechanical energy at B position is of mv square. Now at C position. Now at C, first potential energy equal to how much body height have is capital H, mg capital H. Now kinetic energy general formula of mv square, but v square for final here velocity I need means v square minus u square equal to a. Yes, one of the equations of motion. Now v square is equal to u square minus y means minus the acceleration of the body moving upward is minus g means minus 2g. Yes, how much distance is reached means capital H. Now kinetic energy formula is substitution of m v square means u square minus 2g capital H of m u square replaced my substitution of the v square minus of m into 2g h 2 cancel of m v square minus mg capital H kinetic energy. Now mechanical energy means the kinetic energy plus potential energy. Mechanical energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Mechanical energy is equal to kinetic energy of mv square minus mg capital H. Potential energy is the plus mg capital H minus mgh plus mgh cancel. Mechanical energy is equal to of mv square. At point C, now observe at point A is the mechanical energies of mv square, at point B mechanical energies of mv square, at point C the mechanical energy is also of mv square. Previously we have discussed about the body is falling downside, mechanical energy is conserved. Body is moving upward also, mechanical energy is conserved. These are the explanation of the law of conservation of energy. Now relation between kinetic energy and linear momentum. Already we have discussed the kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy formula? Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Now take numerator m and denominator m. Kinetic energy is equal to of mv square into m by m. M into m, m square kinetic energy is equal to of m into m square v square by m. We know what is the linear momentum. Linear momentum P equal to mv. Now kinetic energy is equal to of P square by m. Now P I need means P square is equal to, this 2m is converted to left side means 2m kinetic energy. Now P equal to root of 2m ke. If you suppose m is constant means P is directly proportional to root of kinetic energy. These are the relation between of the linear momentum and kinetic energy. Or if you suppose, now kinetic energy is equal to of P square by m. Here also m is the constant. M is constant means kinetic energy is directly proportional to P square. These are the relations between of the kinetic energy and linear momentum. Now, what is the explanation of equilibrium conditions? Equilibrium conditions are three types. One is the stable equilibrium and another one is the unstable equilibrium. Third one is the neutral equilibrium. First one, stable equilibrium, and second one is unstable. Third one, neutral equilibrium. What is the explanation of this stable equilibrium? Means if at any one of the body is moving off time, that body is come back with original position means initial position. That is called a stable equilibrium. One more. If any one body is moving, once return back with the same initial position, that is called a stable equilibrium. Now unstable equilibrium means if you at any one body is moves at some distances, that body does not back at initial position, that is called a unstable equilibrium. Neutral equilibrium means if any one body without applying the force, that body is moving, that is called a neutral equilibrium. Means diagram based. If you suppose body here having, this body is moving continuously, they reached at the initial position, that is called a stable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium means here body having, this body is moves some distances, but this body is not come back with the return of initial position, that is called unstable equilibrium. Neutral equilibrium is any horizontal surfaces placed, one body having, the body is moving without applying the force, that is called a neutral equilibrium. Here which forces is applied means apply of the conservative forces. Already we have discussed the conservative forces. Fc is equal to minus dou u by dou x. If you this one F conservative forces is equal to minus dou u by dou x. Now differentiation of the means dou square u by dou x square is more than of g, means greater than of 0 having, means that is stable equilibrium. If you say in unstable equilibrium case, conservative force equal to minus dou u by dou x, differentiation of the means dou square u by dou x square is less than 0. If you 0 below having means that is unstable equilibrium. Now same in neutral equilibrium position, Fc is equal to minus dou u by dou x, differentiation dou square u by dou x square equal to 0 or constant having means that is neutral equilibrium. But here stable equilibrium value is the positive value. Unstable equilibrium of the value is the negative value. But neutral equilibrium value is the 0 value. These are the explanation of the stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, neutral equilibrium. Thank you for watching this video.